6 months. That's all it takes to completely reset your financial life. Not years, not decades, just 6 focused months. But here's the truth. Most people don't stay broke because they don't make enough money. They stay broke because they don't have a system. They guess, they react, they hope things will magically improve, and hope is not a strategy. So in this video, I'm going to give you a proven 6-month plan to take full control of your money, step by step. No complicated investing, no get-rich-quick nonsense, just a system that actually works. If you feel stuck financially, like your salary disappears the moment it arrives, like you're working hard but going nowhere, like no matter what you do, you can't get ahead, this plan is for you. But let me warn you, this is not about getting rich fast. This is about building control, stability, and long-term freedom. And it starts right now. Month 1. Awareness. Track everything. You cannot fix what you don't understand. So month 1 has only one rule. Track every single rupee. Everything. Rent, bills, snacks, online orders, random spending. Yes, even that late-night food delivery you forgot about. Because here's what happens. Most people think they know where their money goes, but when they actually track it, they're shocked. You'll start noticing patterns like you're eating out way more than you thought. Small daily expenses are quietly draining you. Subscriptions you don't even use anymore. Impulse purchases that feel small but add up fast. And this is where everything changes. Because tracking creates awareness, and awareness creates control. Important, don't try to fix anything yet. No budgeting, no cutting, no guilt. Just observe. This month is about one thing, facing the truth about your money. Month 2, cut the leaks. Now that you see the truth, it's time to stop the bleeding. Look at your spending and ask one simple question. Does this actually improve my life? If the answer is no, cut it. Not later, not slowly, now. Focus on the biggest leaks, unused subscriptions, frequent food delivery, expensive habits with low value, impulse buying triggers. This is not about becoming cheap, it's about becoming intentional. Because every rupee you waste is a rupee that could have built your future. And here's the powerful point. Even small cuts create momentum. Saving just $300 to $500 daily might feel small, but over a month, that's serious money. This month is about one goal, creating breathing room in your finances. Month 3, build your safety net. Now we build your first real layer of financial security. Your mission, save your first emergency fund. Start small. Even 1 month of expenses is powerful, because without savings, life feels unstable. Every unexpected expense becomes a crisis. Car breaks down, stress. Medical bill, debt. Job issue, panic. But with an emergency fund, everything changes. You stop reacting and start responding. You feel calmer, more confident, more in control. This is where your mindset shifts. You move from, I hope nothing goes wrong, to, I can handle whatever comes. This is the moment you stop surviving and start stabilizing. Month 4, destroy bad debt. Now it's time to attack the biggest wealth killer, high-interest debt. Credit cards, personal loans, buy now, pay later traps. These are designed to keep you stuck. So here's your strategy. Start with the smallest debt first, not because it's mathematically perfect, but because it builds momentum, and momentum is everything. Every debt you eliminate gives you confidence, motivation, proof that progress is possible. And as your debt goes down, your freedom goes up. This is where most people quit because it feels slow. But if you push through this phase, this is where your life starts changing. Month 5, build income power. Up to this point, you've been controlling your money. Now it's time to grow it. Because there's a limit to how much you can cut, but there's no limit to how much you can earn. So month 5 is about one thing: increasing your income. You don't need anything complicated. Start simple. Freelancing online, selling a skill, writing, editing, design, etc. Part-time remote work, learning a high-income skill. Even an extra income stream, even small, changes everything. Because now you're not just saving money, you're creating it. And that's the turning point. That's when financial growth becomes real. Month 6, automate and invest. Now we move from stability to growth. This is where wealth begins. Step 1, automate your finances. Set up automatic savings, automatic bill payments, automatic investments. Because if you rely on willpower, you will fail. Automation removes emotion. It makes success automatic. Step 2, start investing. Even small amounts matter, because time is your biggest advantage. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes. This is where money starts working for you, instead of you working for money. Red message. Let's be honest. This plan is simple, but it's not easy, because it requires discipline, consistency, and uncomfortable decisions. But here's what most people don't understand. Your financial life doesn't change overnight. It changes with small decisions repeated every single day. 6 months from now, you have 2 choices: stay where you are or become someone who controls their money completely. The choice is yours. If this helped you, subscribe for more real, practical financial strategies. And comment below. Month 1 starts today, because the sooner you start, the sooner your life changes.
Thank you for watching.